Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Hawaii, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana.
This isn't nice. This is mean. I have a toothpick in my throat and it won't come out. Now this, well, if you're a viewer and you voted me, you are mad because you have hippopotamonstrous patience. And are an annoying little rat that has hippopotamonstrous patience. I can't believe this, you ugly rats. I really breaks my heart that I got out in pre-merge. And my throat hurts. I hope or happy. I hope you get eliminated in real life. New Zealand, just go with me. Don't mind my voice, it is different cause of the toothpick. New Zealand BTW, I'm going without you cause. We're not supercalifragisticus.
Yay, what the ugly frat, I mean German rat said. You guys are all stupid, ugly rats who think the world revolves around them. Of course it doesn't, but you're an annoying rat. You deserve it, you deserve to get thrown out of bus, but you can't cause you're built like one.
Poland, 'cause she can't get over the fact that Germany invaded her 2 times and both were over 100 years ago, and Poland is annoying, and I hope she has hippopotamonsic.
That up needs to literally shut up. Poland, you will be eliminated next episode. I just know it, you pimply.
Screen time hippopotamonsic pneumon ultramaskimoke hippopotamonsic supercalifragisic. Su pneumon ultramaskimoke supercalifragisic. Poland is an ugly
I'm so excited. I hope I make the final 10, which is next episode, but we have a risk of being up for voting. I think something is coming.
I don't care, I'm crossing.
Are you there, guys? I ran over India.
Rain. I love rain. IDC, it's green. I love rain. Rain, best thing ever. Why am I just ahead? What is this darkness? I'm going insane. We are all in the final 11.
Oh, it's Poland, coming to kill us all. Nspj by NHN Vnura NBFC WJCK EVTK Chitgo. Okay, so we will start when? Oh, Greece made it. My team is up for elimination. Okay, let me clap to the elimination poll thing.
Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, California, Colorado.